Hey, how's it going? My name is Brandon and I'm a teaching assistant for the Frost Music Outreach here at the University of Miami Frost School of Music. Today, we're going to talk about how to effectively and properly clean your brass instrument. The first thing you want to do is gather the materials you need to clean your brass instrument. You're going to need a bathtub, mild soap, it could be Joy, Dawn, or Ivory, and you're going to need a cleaning snake. Once you've gotten all of those items, the next thing you want to do is take apart your brass instrument. Take apart the mouthpiece, tuning slide, valve. Next, you're going to want to run lukewarm water and put the mild soap into the tub. Fill a tub up and then submerge your instrument and all the subsequent parts into the tub. But also make sure to take off any fabric or felt if there's any on your instrument, because you don't want any of that to get mold because it's been soaking in water. Once your instrument has been soaking for about 10, 15, depending on how long you've last cleaned your instrument, you need to start cleaning it with the cleaning snake. You're going to clean your instrument and you're going to clean all the parts, the valve casings, the slides, everything. You can even clean your mouthpiece with the mouthpiece cleaning brush. Once you've cleaned all of that, drain all the water out of the tub. And if there's any soap still inside of your instrument, just run some water in it to get it out. Once you've done that and everything checks out, you're going to take a dry towel and dry off all the parts and your instrument. And once you've dried off your instrument and all the parts, you're going to re-oil and reassemble them. If you don't know how to reassemble them, call someone or ask someone who does know how to reassemble your instrument so that you can make sure that it works properly again. But once you've done all of that, you're good to go. And that's how you effectively and properly clean your brass instrument.